If you're new to this channel, please like, share, and subscribe and hit the bell notification so every time I upload a video, you'll get notified. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to do a review of my Brittany. It's a Louis Vuitton purse that I got 5 years ago. Brittany comes with this big bag. I did an unboxing on this one when I got it, but the reason I would like to unbox this and give you a review of this purse is because when I got this purse and I did the unboxing on this one, the lighting is very dark. So right now I'm gonna show you what it looks like, and let's see the review. Let's see. This Louis Vuitton comes in a big box. I know I'm using the front camera, so Louis Vuitton is showing like this. Just bear with me. Okay, it comes with a dust bag and with the receipt. Sorry, I'm struggling here. It comes with the procedure and how to take care of it, and the amount of the dollar amount in the receipt that I bought it for. I bought this in April 29, 2017 at the Louis Vuitton boutique here in Toronto, in Canada. So then we'll just put that away. And this Brittany has a dust bag. I always keep this in the dust bag. This features two compartment inside. It's open, and one zip closure compartment. It also have the two smartphone compartment here where you can put your phone in here. The color inside is burgundy color. The color of this purse is called Bordeaux, which means purple, like burgundy color. This comes in 3 different color. One is dark, one is black, the other one is pink, and this one I got is the Bordeaux color, which is the burgundy color. I like this better. For 5 years old purse, this is still in good. store this. What do you like about this purse? What do you think about this purse? Do you like this purse? Because I do. Actually, my mother-in-law likes this purse. That's why I bought this purse for her. But it turns out to be mine. Because if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and hit the bell notification so every time I upload a video, you'll get notified. Thank you for watching. See you on my next video. Bye!